Hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, we are doing one more project, and that is fixing the running lights on the RV. So I got the big ladder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to climb up there. I think I have two or three, I think three of them out. So I'm going to fix that. At least we'll find out which ones we have. I hope they're 1156s, because I got a bunch of those from the RV. When we switched out the lights from the inside. So let's take a look. Hang on, I'll put you down for a second while I get this ladder extended. All right, guys, ladder's up. We gotta climb up and see. While I'm up here, may as well take a little quick look. Oh yeah, there's moisture up in there. In these three, for sure. All right, let's take them apart and see. This one's working, but there's moisture. That's working. This one's out. Kind of sure I don't have the that type of bulb. Ooh. Let's see what it is. That one over there is working. Huh. Only one? I could have swore there were more than one out. I gotta get something to pry that off a little bit. Be back in a second. I do not like the way this ladder feels on this sidewalk. Okay. I gotta go get some of these bulbs for sure. Let's go get a few of them. Looks like that one on the end's about to go too. All right, I'm gonna get off of here real fast. Hang on. You guys wondering what that little metal plate is? I'll tell you what it is. That little metal plate is for my Wilson Drive cell phone. I throw the antenna on that, it gives it a ground plane and allows it to work. It's not the most convenient in the world. I got to find some more of a permanent type antenna, but that's what it is. All right, guys, here's where we're at. Works. This one we took the bulb out, sent it away. That's the one we used as our guide to get our new ones. Those are our new ones, and we're going to replace them all. Just makes sense to replace them all. And I think I'm going to polish these up a little bit, not a lot, but a little. Make sure there's no moisture down in here anymore. When you have hooks all over you, just hook it on something. Doesn't have to be super clean, but I don't want any crap down in there that was looking ugly anyway. Huh. There we go. There's two. Put these old ones back in, save them as a spare just in case someday I might need them. You never know. They painted this while this was on. Don't matter to me, it's free paint. Didn't cost me anything. Sometimes I'm not that funny. All right, now we'll move on to one of the side ones. All right, guys, one left, the one down there. It looks all black, but I don't know if you probably can't see it from there because of the angle of the viewfinder, but it looks black, but it's still lit. You would think, as much of this crap as I do, I'd be really thin. Nope. Hot little guy too. Woo. Woo. So I'm in AutoZone and I'm getting my bulbs. Go up to the counter and the guy goes, "Do you want bulb grease?" No. In all my years, I've never been asked. I mean, I know what it does, but I don't find that as a real necessity, personally. It's kind of like, what? Isn't that something you're supposed to ask girls, not guys, dude? How many guys do you know? If you would have said electrolytic grease or something, maybe I would have thought about it and went, oh, well, it's electrical, yeah, da 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 da, but bulb grease. No, I'm good, thanks. I just think it's funny. Just not high on my priority list of needs. Okay. All tidied up. And hopefully you can see it from this angle. On, all of those are on. And they're nice and bright in comparison to what they were. Look right there, see that crack? I gotta fill that. I'll have to write that. I'll have to write that on the to-do list. I don't know if I got time to do that today. We'll see. Maybe I'll move it over and take a quick look at it. That's kind of why you gotta inspect up above too. You just can't let any of that go. It's not like a car where you can just let it go and go and go, and little things don't really matter. On these things, little things matter. All right, I know you like my hook. I use it for my glasses. Use it for pretty much anything that can hang there if I'm in need of something. All right, we're gonna go up and check that too now. Hang on. Okay. All right, guys, we are back. I have the lap sealant. So this lap sealant, at least in this area, is kind of drying out. Not dry, but curing. And it never gets hard, but certainly hard enough for it to be a pain to get out of the tube until we get past this chunky monkey portion. But while it's being resistant, I want to get that little more cured material into the spaces where if I put a bunch on it, it's going to start running. It's coming. It's going nicely now. I mean, it's still in the thick portion. See that bubble? Now we're going to start flowing. And because it's happening on this side, we are going to check the other side. Lick the finger a bit so it doesn't stick as bad to you. It's nice that it actually has a little less stick to it in terms of it's allowing me to mold it a little better than I would get to. And its adhesion qualities are a little, there down here it's great. And I'm trying to fill in, let it squish into it. I think the more I squish into it, the better. Okay. And I got a little spot right there. I don't know what that was, but we are certainly going to fill it in too. Okay. Now we'll move to the other side and give a check there. I'm going to get up and look anyway, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. If it's not, I'll bring you with me, but at this point, let's call that good, and we'll take a check on that. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime is a great time to RV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.